Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this HUAWEI. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now click on System and Updates over here and tap on Language and Input. After that, you need to click on Celia keyword and tap on Input over here. Lastly, click on this blue sweater next to autocorrection, and as you can see, after that, automatic text correction is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!